And now we'll have a look at the plan itself so you know what it is we're going to plant and why and where. So this is the layout for the 1 square metre garden. I'll reduce the pixel size, the unit sizes to 10 pixels so that we've got ourselves a square here. These are the cultivars we're putting in, and this is how they're going to be laid out in the square. As you see, it's all straight lines and edges. When we actually get to the planting, you'll see it's a little bit more laissez-faire and not quite as tight on the lines, and that's because there's no straight lines in nature. Now this edge here has to point to where the sun is, so if you're in the southern hemisphere that's the north, and if you're in the northern hemisphere that would be the south. So we have the peas here, because I can grow peas in summer here without any fear of mould or anything like that occurring. If you're not in an area because it's too hot to grow peas in summer, you could put climbing beans in here, or even for that matter you could do cucumbers if that was your preferred choice. That's basically it. We'll now get to the practical planting vision.